Theta organization value expectation outline. The especially current market cost of one Theta organization especially is $1.10 amazingly. Theta organization, Theta, for the most part is gauged to basically arrive at a typical cost of $2.31 toward 2025 in an exceptionally large manner's end. Theta organization, Theta, truly is expected to in every way that really matters, arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $159.87, constantly 2030 in a significant manner. Long-haul examination recommends that Theta organization cost might actually flood to $1,271.10 by 2050, with a really expected range somewhere in the range of $1,211.95 and $1,403.06 in an especially huge manner. The kind of typical extended cost for Theta organization in 2040 really is supposed to sort of be $865.93, with sort of likely difference somewhere in the range of $810.76 and $986.86. Starting around 06 January 2024, Theta organization is exchanging at $1.10 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a huge manner. Theta has a complete market cap of $1,100,962,495 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $25,285,290 in an unpretentious manner. This most certainly makes Theta organization, Theta, positioning at 60 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2024, what will Theta organization in a real sense be certainly worth in 2024 in a genuinely enormous manner? Is Theta organization a wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2024, or so they generally thought? Will Theta cost generally outperform its untouched high in a very significant manner? These basically are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, which for the most part is very huge. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2024, as per the Theta organization gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Theta cost basically is supposed to generally cross an essentially normal value level of $1.67, the normal least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to truly be $1.62. Besides, Theta can truly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $1.88, showing that long-haul examination recommends that Theta organization cost might actually flood to $1,271.10 by 2050, with a very possible reach somewhere in the range of $1,211.95 and $1,403.06 in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization value conjecture January 2024. In January 2024, the very greatest cost for Theta organization could truly stretch around $1.19. Besides, the minimum cost of Theta in January 2024 truly is $1.05, with an especially normal cost of $1.16. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation February 2024. With respect to February 2024, Theta organization cost basically is figured to arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $1.15 in a fundamentally significant manner. The Theta cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $1.24, with the truly normal expected cost around $1.21 in a huge manner. Theta organization value conjecture Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the really most extreme cost for Theta organization could explicitly stretch around $1.29 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Theta in Walk 2024 generally is $1.21, with an especially normal cost of $1.25 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization, Theta, value figure April 2024. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for April 2024 may arrive at a truly least worth of $1.26, while the very greatest determined cost really is around $1.35 in an unpretentious manner. The kind of typical cost for Theta really is fundamentally anticipated to in a real sense reach $1.30 in April 2024. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation May 2024. The cost for Theta organization in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.31 and $1.42 in an unpretentious manner. while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $1.36. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation June 2024. The cost for Theta organization in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.34 and $1.47 in a kind of significant manner. While in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $1.38, showing how Theta organization, Theta, value figure April 2024. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for April 2024 may explicitly arrive at a sort of least worth of $1.26, while the really greatest estimated cost fundamentally is around $1.35 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Theta organization explicitly is supposed to be at around an essentially least of $1.37 in an in every practical sense, huge way. Theta organization cost can truly arrive at a kind of limit of $1.53, with the in every practical sense, normal cost of $1.43 in United States dollars, showing how Theta organization, Theta, value conjecture April 2024. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for April 2024 may in every way that really matters arrive at a by and large least worth of $1.26, while the in every way that really matters most extreme gauge cost especially is around $1.35, which truly is very critical. Theta value estimate August 2024. The Theta organization conjecture for August 2024 expects that the Theta might arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $1.58, with a fundamentally least cost of around $1.44, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the really normal value Theta can especially stretch around $1.48 for August, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Theta organization, Theta, value gauge September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Theta organization essentially is for the most part anticipated to arrive at a really normal cost of $1.53, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $1.66 and a kind of least of $1.47, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Theta organization sort of is estimated to by and large be at around an exceptionally least worth of $1.53, which truly is very huge. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $1.73, with the typical exchanging worth of $1.59 in United States dollars, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate November 2024. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for November 2024 may by and large arrive at a very least worth of $1.58, while the especially greatest determined cost basically is around